speaking of, data, we understand that, data should be clean and data should be accurate. But we also understand supply chain, and we know how messy data is. So, in your eyes, how can companies ensure the data used for AI models is clean, accurate, and representative?
Right? So I think Gen AI has some powerful capabilities. If you look at, the EDL type of exercise, right, with cleaning, sanitizing, and making sure the data is ready for prime time consumption, right? So I think some of those tools are there, and that's where it's kind of like the old analogy, right, of measure twice and cut once, right, or measure three times. So I think the energy that's spent upfront on crawl, walk, run in terms of the sources of data and what you want to use, and then what's the readiness of that data, right, and looking at that, and that's where a lot of the heavy lift is in terms of the effort, the time and resources in a POC spending on that piece of it, right? And so many times what happens is the data isn't what you thought, or you end up pivoting or adjusting because the data will allow you to answer the right question, but you might have some blinders on, right? The plenty of forecasting POCs that I've done in the past have focused and had good data at a national level, maybe a regional level, but that data and how it ties back to your multi-echelon network of DCs and how you're going to overlay geography into a forecast. You may not have that data, or there may be more static absolute rules that don't necessarily line up with the data. So there's always going into the world with the perfect design and compromising based on what the data will allow you to do.